Hi guys, another puzzle. Huzzle, cast diamond, level 1 of 6. So that should be quite easy. Comes in a nice box. Cast diamond. This is after you've made the puzzle. This is what it starts out like, 2 pieces. Cast metal, a zinc alloy called Zamac. That's what it's made out of. Zinc and aluminium and magnesium, I think. Made by a Japanese company called Hanayama. All these puzzles are made by Hanayama. So, let's unbox it and have a look. Okay, there we go. The same as cast dot puzzle. This has got a dark metal piece and a silver chrome coloured metal piece. This is how it looks. Quite a nice finish, metal. Like that. The same 2 pieces, exactly the same shape. Similar to cast loop. Once it's made, it's easy to take it apart. That's easy. So the puzzle is to make it. That's the hard bit. So if you don't want to know how to do it, look away now. Okay, here's the answer. And if you look on the package, you can see you want to make it like that, like a diamond. So somehow you've got to combine them, and at first glance it just looks impossible. There's no way to get that in there. You can try like this. It won't go. It just doesn't seem to work. How do you get that arrow-shaped thing in that arrow-shaped hole? How do you do it? The answer is deceptively easy. Okay. And simple and beautiful. It's so simple. You hold it like this, so that the 2 arrow portions are facing each other. Okay. Then let's flip one of them and slide it over like that. Now all you do is rotate it this way and it slides in beautifully. Look at that. That is a fantastic puzzle. Comes apart very easily. That's the only shame, is that it doesn't sort of lock in position. Perhaps they could have done that with some magnets. They could have put a little magnet there and a little magnet there so that it locked. Do it again. So the 2 arrows face each other. Flip one of them over. Slide it over. Now it'll only slide one way. It won't go up that way. It'll only slide that way. But it slides in perfectly to make a diamond. Hope you enjoyed it. See you later.